Alright guys, today we're unboxing the thron Zunelotoo multi-tool shovel. Let's have a look. Over here we use the double lock design to ensure your product gets to you safely side without any damages. Equipped with your thron instructions. There we go. In your thron box you come with a leather case. There's your shovel. The Zunelotoo thron multi-tool shovel derives its name from the serrated edge looking like wolf teeth. This is very useful for stopping other blades and used as a lock knife tool. It also comes equipped with a bottle opener on the side and a multi-purpose magnet at the bottom to pick up any small items you might drop in the outdoor circumstances. Alright, the thron multifunctional spade also comes with your 6-angled function for whatever purpose you might find more convenient, as well as the wire cutter function on the back and ruler on the side for measurements while in the outdoors. The tool also comes equipped with your leather case, which is easily put in and attached to either your arm or your leg for daily purpose and outdoor use. The case is easily closed like that. It's conveniently sized for any outdoor activity. Even the small shovel has gone through a 50-step procedure to ensure maximum stability and procedure when using the shovel, and it is not a weighted and heavy product. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more information visit zunelotoo.com. Thanks for watching.